Welcome to SEFCU's Credit Card Kingdom, a place where making smart choices helps you secure the bag and level up to excellent credit castle. Each spot on this board comes with a choice. Some move you forward, some send you back, just like real life. Let's head to First Card Forest. This is where strong credit journeys take root. Your first credit card doesn't need to be flashy. It just needs to be something that helps you grow financially. First cards help build steady habits. And if you're just starting out, ask someone you trust to co-sign with you. This is a common way to get approved. Here we are at Statement Springs. Keep in mind, a credit card isn't extra cash. It's borrowed money with a payment schedule. Each month, your statement flows in, showing what you spent and when it's due. To keep finances running smoothly, you'll want to stay ahead of the current. Pay the full statement balance on time, and you avoid interest. Pay late or only dip in with the minimum, and interest starts to pool. Auto Pay Peak. Now, this is a favorite. Here you'll learn that if you want your credit card to work for you, keep it simple. Use it for things you already buy, like gas or streaming. Then pay it off every month to help build credit. Setting up auto pay, otherwise known as automatic payments, keeps you moving forward. No missed payments, no stress. Just make sure you're staying true to your monthly budget so the ride stays smooth. Rewards River is where credit cards can really work in your favor. Cashback, points, travel perks. Once you know how to navigate it, this currency can carry you a long way. Rewards can help stretch your spending and give you something back for purchases you already make. Of course, like any good river, it helps to read the water. Rewards come with rules. Things like spending requirements and fine print. So paying attention keeps you on course. The biggest key is to pay your balance off in full every month. That's how rewards stay rewarding. For beginners, simple cashback is usually the easiest way to enjoy the ride and the best bridge to cross with confidence. Oh, here's a move to watch out for. Debt Detour Dunes is where you end up when payments don't go as planned. When you miss a payment, the sand can shift fast. Late fees pop up, interest accrues, and your credit score can take a hit. Getting things like a car or a home loan, approved for an apartment, or even lower insurance rates can take more effort and cost more to get. But here's the good news. Paying more than the minimum payment helps you regain traction, and asking for help from your credit union helps even more. The earlier you ask, the easier it is to get back on track. And here it is, Excellent Credit Castle. This is where you end up after making all those smart choices. Paying on time, using credit wisely, knowing when to keep it simple, and when to use the advantages. Credit cards don't have to be confusing. They just take a little strategy to help build something strong. If you want help choosing the right card or learning the rules of the game, SEFCU is here to guide you every step of the way. See you at your next turn.